Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the types of function available in the C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. The function prototype, the third type. Third type is function with argument and return value. Function having argument. We are passing the argument to the function and function also will return the value. We know that we have main program and function, subprogram. Function is also called a subprogram. So main program having set of instructions to perform. The repeated instruction can be declared as a function, defined as a function. Whenever we need, we can call this function. Then the control will transfer to the function. It will perform the particular task. So repeatedly we can able to call the function. That is the concept of function. The main program is divided into subprograms, that is called function. So in this type, the function from main program, the arguments are passed to the function and also function will return the value. In this prototype, the data is transferred between the calling function and called function. Calling function means function calling in the main program. Called function means function definition, what is available in the function. Now we'll see the syntax for that, the standard format for this. So this is the main program. There are set of instructions available. This is the function 1 AB. This is what the meaning is. We are calling this function 1 A comma B present this semicolon means we are calling this function. The function name is function 1. We are sending the parameter arguments A and B. And also the function will return the value. We see that already we discussed, it will return the value. So that value will be stored in function C. They have stored in variable C, right? So C equal to function 1 A comma B means we are calling function 1 with arguments A, B. This function will return the value that will be stored in C. So while calling this function, the control will transfer to this function definition. This is called function definition. Integer function 1 integer x comma y. This integer indicates it will return the integer type data. Integer x and integer y means two arguments. So A and B is passed from main program that will be stored in x and y. This is called actual parameter, formal actual parameter. This is formal parameters, right? So here we can declare one more variable z because of if it is addition means both are added and stored in z and return the z value. The added value will be returned. Return z means the control will transfer to this function. The return value will be stored in C, right? So while calling the function, control will transfer to this function definition. We are passing two variables. After performing, while return the value, control again transfer to this function 1. The return value will be stored in the variable C. Now we'll see the example program so that it is easy to understand. So we have the two function addition and subtraction. We are going to see two function addition and subtraction. First we'll include the header files. Standard input output dot h, console input output dot h. Two files are included. Before starting the main program, we are declaring the function. This is called function declaration. We are declaring the two function. First function name is addition. The return type is integer and passing two integer value. So function declaration having three parameters. That is, what is the return type, what is the function name, what are the variable we are passing. Here function name is addition, return type is integer data, passing value also two integer data. Similarly, we are declaring one more function. Function name is subtraction, return value is integer and also we are passing two integer variables, right? Now we can start the main program. This is function declaration is enough, is completed. Now start with main program. So in the main program we have four variables A, B, sum, subtraction. So our aim is to add two numbers and subtract two numbers. So that A, B is the two numbers available. The added number addition is stored in sum. The subtracted answer is stored in sub. After clear screen, we ask the user to enter two numbers. So the user will enter two numbers, that will be using scanf statement. We can scan the two numbers. %d indicates it is a integer type. And A and B means address of A, address of B. So the entered two numbers are stored in A and B. Right. Now sum equal to addition A comma B. What is this? Here addition A comma B means we are calling this function. We are going to calling this function and we are sending the two parameters A and B to the function. This function will return the value. So that value will be stored in sum. If it is not written, no need to bother, but it returned the value, so we need to put one variable here. Otherwise it will not store anywhere. So sum equal to addition A comma B means calling the function addition with two variables passing to the function. The function will return the value that will stored in sum. So while calling this function, what will happen? The control will transfer to the function definition addition. So from here addition, the control will goes to this function definition. This is a function definition, right? This is function declaration. This one function calling, function definition. We are defining the function. This A and B is the actual parameter. Here X and Y is a formal parameters. The value of A will be stored in X, value of B will be stored in Y. So here integer is already we declared. So same thing is available here. The integer return type, function name addition, integer X comma Y. So the name itself addition means we are going to add these two values. For that we need one more variable, integer Z. Z equal to X plus Y. We added two values that is stored in Z. Now return Z. Here itself we can without declaring Z, return X plus Y also possible. Without declaring the Z, we can directly return X plus Y. So the both will be added and the control will transfer here. But here we declare one variable, in that both the values are added, then added value is returned. So what will happen? The control will transfer from return to where we called. Here we called the addition. So the return value will be stored in sum. The answer is available in sum. Sum of two numbers is added. These two numbers are added. The answer is available in sum. Now we are calling the next function, subtraction. Subtraction equal to subtraction A comma B. Sub equal to subtraction A comma B. What is this? This is again calling another function. Name subtraction. We are passing two variables A, B. The function will return the value that is will be stored in sub. Right? This is calling. So the function is called, the control will transfer to here. Integer subtraction, integer X comma Y. A, B is the actual parameter. This is formal parameter. A will be stored in X, B will be stored in Y. The return type is integer. So here also we declare one more variable. This Z is different from previous one. This is a local variable. Because of subtraction, Z equal to X minus Y. Then return Z. The subtracted value available in Z, the Z is returned. So the control will transfer to subtraction. The return value will be stored in sum. Now we have addition of two number available in sum, subtraction of two number available in sub. So this is a two function. Whenever we need, we can call this. So these two answers are printed. Print of addition is available in sum. Print of subtraction %d sub. %d indicates integer. Right? So now the sum and subtraction is printed here. After get cgh, we can close the program. So in this video, we discussed the third type of function prototype, function with argument and return value. We are passing the argument to the function and the function also return the value. We know that function will return only one value, right? So subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.